A gloomy day across South Florida. Here's a live look outside. There's the Lake Worth Pier, and you can see overcast skies. Some showers coming in off of the Atlantic, affecting Palm Beach County. And once again, the water's very rough, thanks to those really gusty winds that we continue to see across the area. At least temperatures on the milder side. Right now, temperatures in the middle 70s, heading generally into the upper 70s this afternoon. And temperatures definitely warmer compared to yesterday at 11:15 in the morning. In fact, we're seeing temperatures along the coast anywhere from about 5 to 8 degrees warmer compared to just 24 hours ago. But notice the winds, boy, they're very, very active. A southeast flow right now sustained up to almost 25 miles an hour into Fort Pierce, and we're seeing wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. So it stays windy today, it stays windy tomorrow, and then by Thursday we're going to start to transition, and by the time we get to Friday the winds are considerably weaker. In the meantime, though, notice we do have a couple of quick moving rain showers coming in off of the Atlantic, pushing into central Palm Beach County around Lantana and Lake Worth Beach. We have a couple of showers right now moving towards downtown West Palm, and another shower pushing up towards the county line. We still have a lot of cloud coverage in and around the peninsula. So for today, we're generally on the mostly cloudy side, but at times we could have a couple of sunny breaks too. Now offshore right there, that's a very strong area of higher pressure, and that's helping to kick up those winds. So today we'll have winds up to 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow the high slides a bit farther offshore, but it's still very strong, and that's going to keep the winds in the forecast anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles an hour. But it's also going to keep all of the moisture well to the north of us. As the moisture works its way across the country, it basically crashes into that high and then starts to ride up and over it. Now here's one of the pictures sent in from our weather watcher. This is from April in Jupiter, and she took a picture of some wind surfers right there. So yeah, at least if it's windy outside, you can enjoy some windsurfing. So thanks for sending that in. All right, so wind gusts today up to about 30 miles an hour. And then as we head into tomorrow, still quite breezy, winds at about 20 to 25 miles an hour. Vipercast shows that we will continue to see lots of clouds around with the occasional sunny break. And we do have about a 20% chance of picking up a spotty rain shower here or there. But at least temperatures will be warmer than average, heading into generally the upper 70s, should be in the middle 70s for this time of year. As we head into tonight, temperatures not backing off much, upper 60s, lower 70s. For you boaters, we do have that small craft advisory in effect with the winds up to 30 knots. Inland waters will be rough, and there are your high and your low tide times. First alert 7-day forecast. As we head into the next couple of days, temperatures get even warmer into the lower 80s, but we're cooler as we head into Monday on the backside of a front.